Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking into this, which is how to unlist property on booking.com. So here's a full guide for that. So for you to be able to unlist a property on booking.com, you have to go to the admin.booking.com and sign in with your booking account credentials. So for you to do that, once you're done with that, you have to open the property settings. So once logged in, click the property tab at the top of your dashboard. Then from the drop down menu, choose general info, which is general information, or property details depending on your account layout. So the next thing to do is to find the status or the availability section. So scroll down until you see an option like property status, availability, or open and close for booking. So after that, you have to click close your property or toggle the switch to closed to stop receiving new reservation. So this will unlist your property temporarily and guests will no longer see it on booking.com. And to permanently remove the listing, so if you want to completely unlist, go to the inbox, click tab, then booking.com messages. Then from there you have to click compose a message, then select the account and remove a property and send a request to booking.com support asking to permanently remove or deactivate your listing. So wait for confirmation. So you can also support, and the support will review your request. The booking support, they will receive and review your request and confirm once the property has been unlisted or removed from the platform. And that's how you can easily unlist property on booking.com. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.